Hello everyone, let's go to the 63rd example. Make a program that reads 10 integers and stores them in an array. Then print in a single line which are the smallest, the second smallest, and the third smallest elements present in the array, separated between for a single space. So let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, you have to include the library stdio.h, which allows us to print messages on the screen. Going on, I am using the hashtag define to define a name and an amount for this name. So every time I call this name, the value will be 10. So here, the value is 10, 10, 10, and 10. Moving on, I am starting the program including 4 int variables for the array, the I to control the 4 and to control the other 4, and the auxiliary to that you will understand on the next steps. So this for loop will start with the I equal to 0 and will stop when the value of I equal to the max. And every time this for loop, the I value will be increased by 1. This printf will ask you to enter the value placed in the position %d I. For example, in the first time, we'll print 0. The second time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep going until the number 9, because the 0 counts on the memory positions. And this scanf will storage the value that you type on your keyboard on the array in the position 0 at the first time, 1, and keep going to, and will stop in the number 9, as our for loop has this conditional. Here I am organizing the values in the array by the smallest to the largest. So the knowledge behind this program is here. This for loop has the same conditionals of this one, and this for is the key. The j will be equal to the value of I plus 1, and the j has to be slower than the value of max. And every time this for loops, the j value will be increased by 1. So what is happening? I am checking the I will be in the first place and the j will be in the second place. So I will check if the value of I is bigger to the value of j, and if it is, this conditional will be true. So if the value of array placed in the position I is bigger to the array placed on the position j, I will reorganize the values on the vector with the auxiliary will be equal to the value of the array I. The array I will receive the value of array G, and the array G will receive the value of the auxiliary. So what is happening? What is happening here? I am in the first line. For example, here I have the value 10, and here I have the value 9. The auxiliary will receive the value 10. The value 9 will be stored on the place that was the value 10, and the place of the value 9 will receive the value 10. So what is happening? At the first time, this is the place but with the number. At the first time we have this, and when this if conditional runs, we will have this, because I swapped the values with the auxiliary, because the value of 10 is bigger to the value of 9, and I will be checking the values and the vector to the all 4. So every number that is placed on this array will be checked, and we'll do this 10 times. So it's will organize the whole array. And this printf will print the first three smallest values in the vector. So I will print the first, the second, and the third value in the script, because I organize the values on my array. So let's go to the terminal and see what is happening here. 1, 10, -9, 11, 2, 3, 4, 45, 8, 9, 22. The first three smallest values in the vector are -9, 1, and 2. As you can see, the smallest values is -9, 2, and 1. So, thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description, and subscribe for regular content.